Your new Toyota has some highly advanced safety systems. In this short video, we will tell you how to use them to give the most enjoyable and relaxing driving experience. First, the pre-collision system, which is always active unless switched off. It uses a radar sensor and front camera to detect objects in front of your Toyota. When the system calculates that a collision is imminent, it sounds a warning and flashes a message on the multi-information display. If it determines the possibility of a collision is extremely high and no action has been taken by the driver, the brakes are automatically applied. The automatic braking will be cancelled if the accelerator pedal is pushed hard, the brakes are applied, or the driver steers sharply, as if avoiding the obstacle. If the driver has begun evasive steering and the system deems it safe, emergency steering assist will aid steering movements, enhancing vehicle stability. Intersection turn assist will activate the pre-collision system if an oncoming vehicle or pedestrians are detected. The pre-collision warning can be turned off or the timing changed using the vehicle settings menu in the navigation screen. There are 3 levels of sensitivity available and the middle setting is the default. When set, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control will maintain a set speed until the car comes up behind another vehicle. It will then stay at a fixed distance behind until the way is clear. To activate the system, press this button on the steering wheel. A symbol will appear on the display to show the system is activated. Then press the Set button here to fix the desired speed. You can now adjust it by using the up and down buttons. You can change the speed in 5 mph increments by keeping the plus or minus button pressed. The car will now hold you at this speed as long as the road is clear. Next, we'll look at 2 passive technologies that are always looking out for what is happening behind you. Rear Cross Traffic Alert and Intelligent Clearance Sonar with automatic braking uses rear-mounted sensors to warn the driver of any immediate hazards. When activated, a buzzer will sound and the wing mirror indicators will flash. Blind Spot Monitor will alert the driver of any vehicles that are passing on the inside or outside. A symbol on the wing mirror will indicate when a car is in the driver's blind spot. Lane Trace Assist will monitor the position of your Toyota when between clear white lines. When the car begins to drift into another lane, the system will warn the driver. The system can also automatically operate the steering wheel to gently place the car back into the centre of the lane. The system won't warn the driver or intervene if the indicators have been activated. You can turn the system off at any time using this button on the steering wheel. The car will remember your preference next time you drive. Next, we'll tell you about the automatic high beam system. This uses a front-facing camera to assess the light from other vehicles. It then automatically controls the high beam to give the best visibility without dazzling oncoming traffic. First, check the headlight switch is at the on or auto position. To activate or deactivate the automatic high beam system, push this button by the driver's right knee. Then push the left-hand stalk away from you. A light will show on the display to indicate AHS is active. Enjoy the advanced safety features of your Toyota and drive carefully.